Ma'am, I want to ask you something like, ma'am, as I'm speaking with you, what all things you have seen in my speaking which I need to change? Like my pronunciation or any, like I'm speaking too fast or anything, ma'am, kindly please
Actually,
help
Priyanka,
me
you are
so that I
speaking
can.
English very well. You are quite fluent at English.
It's a, ma'am, I'm taking this as a compliment because,
You
ma'am,
are actually
you know
quite
what
fluent in
happened,
English.
no?
I was thinking that why is she having conversation with me? She's already so good in English. But
Ma'am, am I audible to
yes,
you?
yes, you are audible.
Okay, hello, ma'am. How are
Hello,
you?
I'm
Good
doing.
afternoon. I'm glad to see you, ma'am. I text you long ago, but finally you text me back. It was a what to say. It was a great day for me.
Thank you so much for saying that. I also, love talking to different people every day. So yeah, I'm also
Yes, ma'am.
excited to talk to you.
Even I. Ma'am, how are you?
I'm also doing great. I'm also fine. Priyanka, tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Priyanka De. I'm from West Bengal. I did my graduation and B.Ed. Okay, I was working as a school teacher, primary section, but now I am giving a home tuitions to students. Okay, recently I used to work in Byju's, but due to some uh, financial condition of the Byju's, they laid off many employees. So I was one of them. So after that, I am working as a home tutor. Students come to my house, small kids. Okay, for primary section kids, they come to my house. Just I give them tuition. That's all, ma'am. I'm
That's very
planning to join. I'm planning to join schools, but I've given my CV also, but I've not got any revert from their side. Hopefully, I will get very soon.
yes, yes, definitely you will. Which subjects are you teaching?
Ma'am, my honors was in English only,
So you teach English.
but in primary, English only. And my B.Ed method paper was also English and history. And as I told, I teach primary section. No, in primary section, if you teach, they give you social studies also. Sometimes they give you science subject also. It's according to the schools who revise the timetable.
And it's not very difficult to teach all subjects to young children. But when it comes to bigger classes, then it's difficult to take all subjects, unless you are specialized in them. Yeah.
For the higher section, it is difficult for an English teacher to teach a
Yeah.
science subject.
Correct.
But for primary section,
Yeah, it's okay.
it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
It's easy.
Unless you have, literally not studied at all. Otherwise, you can definitely teach them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And moreover, the chapters are also of very small pages only, not too lengthy. But in senior classes, the chapters they have many numericals, many theories, which the
And
experts
very
can only
complex
teach.
concepts. Unless you have, specialized in science, you can't take physics, chemistry, such subjects, and you have not taken science, then you can't teach that. Right?
It will be a bit
Correct.
tough for others.
And what did you teach at Byju's?
When Byju's, I was not in academic part. I was a student success specialist there. The students' academic part is something different, where the teachers used to teach according to their subject assigned to them. But our role was like we used to help the students. Okay, we are working as a mentor. Okay, we have a certain amount of students. Okay, allotted, and there we used to call them. If they used to mail them, then we used to give them revert. We used to give revert back to them if they are having any problem in any subject, if they are having problem in any classes timetables.
Okay.
Suppose a child is having a class at 11 o'clock, but somehow he's having problem, he won't be able to, then we used to help them. We used to schedule that timetable on different time, different date. That's all. And if any of the students is facing problem in joining the classes,
Okay.
okay, that time we used to take the complaint and we used to forward it to the L3 team. Then they used to solve that problem.
Okay. So
Just
you were
we
kind
were
of,
the bridge between.
troubleshoot.
We forwarded to the consult department. That is L3 team were there.
Correct.
They used to do, but we used to help them like minute, if they are facing any problem, the minute things we can tell them. If then also they are not able to solve, then we used to forward it to the L3 team.
So
But
it was kind of
we
a
are not
customer
supposed
care.
to.
You were kind of a customer care executive in Byju's.
Like that only you can tell.
So they would come up with
like
all
that.
kinds of complaints.
We were like the bridge between the students and the and this academic
academic counselors. Now you have been giving tuitions at home, but we don't call it home
Yes,
tutor. A home tutor goes to student's house. That is called a home tutor.
Okay.
But you are giving tuitions at home, at your place. So that means your home is kind of a coaching center that you own. So you are giving tuitions at home. If you say you are a home tutor, that would mean that you go to every student's house, right?
Okay. So we will say that I give tuitions to students in my home.
Yeah, at your place.
Will be okay?
At your home.
Okay.
So how many students are there? I mean, how many students come to your place?
Ma'am, not much. 5 to 6 only they come, because earlier I used to work. Now that time I have not, because the timing of the Byju's was too much. From 10 to 8:30. That time I have not taken any tuitions. But after that, after laid off, I was getting bored. We need to do something, right? We cannot sit at that time. Now, like this only, not too much, ma'am. But I'm trying to get. If I get as a teacher in any school, then it will be okay for me.
So after getting laid off, you wanted to do something. That's why you started giving tuitions to nearby children. And now, if you get a good job in a school, then you will go for it, right?
I will go for it. Yes, ma'am.
So overall, 5 to 6 children come to your house. Are they all in one group, or you teach them separately?
No, so a few comes in group and one comes separately.
Okay. So one
She's
of
a small girl, na? That's why she don't
teach her separately because she's too young, and all the other children they come as a group. So you teach one group.
They come in a group.
One small child, one young child. Yeah. Okay. If you take everyone separately, then you will have to spend 5-6 hours.
Yes, it will be difficult for us, na, to manage.
And tell me about the family.
Ma'am, my husband is a bank officer. Okay, but now I am staying in Asansol. Okay, Asansol, you might have heard, it is in West Bengal only, a small city.
Okay.
But my husband is staying in Bardhaman. Saturday, Sunday he comes. I have one kid, one child, one son.
So he stays away from you, and he comes to you only on weekend.
Only on a weekend he come. My mother-in-law stays with us.
Okay. So your child, does he miss his father a lot?
Ma'am, he misses, but the fact is that we are always connected with him in mobiles. When he comes from office, video call, and every Saturday he comes. So, and moreover, my son is also busy with his school activities and studies. Na, that's why.
Okay, since you are connected to your husband all the time, so your son gets to see him on video calls and everything. Plus, he makes it a point that he comes every Saturday, right? So, how old is your son?
Ma'am, he's 9 years old.
Okay. So, he has this thing in mind that Papa is going to come on Saturday only. So, he's, okay with that.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. He's okay. Habituated, ma'am. Habituated with the time.
So now, he's habitual now. Since when has he been living there?
Ma'am, see, when he got transferred, first he transferred to Kharagpur. That time we all went, okay. Then Mednipur, we all went together, only that place. Shifted there all together. Then he came to Asansol. Then as my son was growing, we faced lots of problem while admitting him in the school. Because what happened, ma'am, in bank job, those who are working in bank, they will know very well. In bank job, they do that transfer thing in the month of June, July, and at that time, all the schools, they are having their either midterm or terminal exam.
Correct.
And that time, they don't admit any new students.
Right. In June, it's very difficult to get admission. Yeah.
And many does, because if you show them the transfer slips, then many schools takes. but many doesn't. So that time we thought that we purchased a flat in Asansol and we decided to stay there. But after 3 years, he again got transferred in Bardhaman. So that time, again the same timing, June, July. That's why he went and we stayed.
Okay, so that he doesn't get disturbed again and again. Every time with the admissions, you would have had to face the same problems.
Ma'am, many problems. Like, ma'am, see, we did the admission that like he's in ICSE board. So the session starts around March or April. Some school it is in March and some school it is in April. So we used to do the admission there. Okay, he used to continue the schooling 2-3 months. After that, again transfer. We have to take him to another school. There again we have to do the admission.
Right.
Many things, teachers and schools, many friends were there. He need to cope up with the syllabus. Even he need to adjust with the students also.
Correct.
This all many problems are there, ma'am. That's why.
I would point out a
Sometimes
few
he used to cry also.
Sometimes it is.
Sometimes he used to cry also that I will not go. I don't like this school.
Okay.
See, if a boy is getting big now, so it doesn't look nice now. If he's not able to adjust in any school, every time he have to do now, like after 3 years. So it's better to stay here only till 10th. He completes it.
Correct. As soon as he starts getting attached to these friends, he's all the friends and everything is snatched away from him. And now he has to adjust to the other school. It's very difficult to adjust to a new place, new school. It's very difficult for a child to, move to a new place every year or maybe every 2-3 years. They get attached to their friends, their school, their teachers. Get him admitted to one school. Then the same thing would happen after 2-3 years again. Yeah. So then you would have to get him admitted to another school. So many schools take the child and many schools don't. So that is why you had to face so many problems, right?
Many problems, and moreover, many times we have not got the many times we have not got the good school also, because as I said now, in this months many school don't admit new students. So that time they tell only whenever we go to the office for admission, then no, we are not going to take any more students. Like this, it doesn't work, ma'am, because a child has its own future. His academic should be regular.
Correct.
Right.
And you can't, in such a situation, you can't even choose the school. So whatever school is going to accept your child, you will have to put him in that only.
Complete his
that child. Yeah. You can't even provide good education to your child, then what's the point?
Just to complete, he doesn't. Just to complete that year, we have to put him in any of the school, whether it is good or bad.
Admission to, correct. So
like
that
this.
was a compulsion actually.
So we thought that it's better to stay here only, and for his schooling, I and my mother-in-law stayed here, and my husband. Because see, ma'am, again he will get transferred 3 years. Again he will get, because it is his rule only from bank. This rule has been allotted.
In banking jobs, there is a transfer every 2-3 years. It's mandatory.
3 years.
Okay, every 3 years.
Mandatory.
Okay.
3 years mandatory. And if you take promotion, it's sure shot that you are going to get transferred to any of the other states, or in some different this state only, but some different cities.
I think your child also wants to talk. Maybe I think it seems like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He's sitting beside me.
Okay. So what's his name?
Pritish.
Pritish.
Come here. Pritish. Yes, sir.
Hi, Pritish. How are you?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you? How are you, Pritish?
Hello, ma'am.
Your name is Pritish, right?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, your name is Pritish.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your name is very beautiful and you are a very cute kid.
Thank you.
Okay, you don't like to get transferred to any other place?
No, I like to get transferred.
Okay.
Now he is telling.
Okay, so you like this school? The school in which you go right now?
Yes.
You like it? So do you have many friends?
Yes.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
Srijan Kanjilal.
Srija Kaljila. I didn't get the name.
Srijan Kanjilal.
Srijan Kanjila. Why do you like him?
We sit at the same place. We share the tiffin also.
Okay. Does he fight with you?
No.
Okay, he never fights with you. Okay, very good. You miss your papa?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, little bit. And when you want to go out and eat something nice, then you go out with mama?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, give it to your mama.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, he's a
Yes.
sweet child. He looks very happy.
Now he's telling. He's always happy, ma'am. Now he's telling you that he likes to transfer, but that time he was telling, how will I leave my friends? He was making so much. He was crying, making faces wherever he was seeing us. He was making faces. Oh, I will not go like this. And now he's
How
telling
old-
in front
How
of
old
you.
was he at that time?
First transfer that time he was 7 years old.
Okay, at that time he was crying. Actually, we shifted from Delhi to Noida, right? My son was also 7
Okay.
years old, and he was in, I think, KG, kindergarten. So at that time,
KG.
he had a
He was
friend.
in one.
Yeah, okay. So he had a friend, and we had to shift to Noida. We had taken a house. So
Mhm.
my son was, so emotional. Mama, how will I be able to see my friend's face again? I was also so emotional that my son has to leave his school, his teachers, and all his friends. I took his number and kept it in my, phone, and I used to make him chat with him and call this child. But after a while, after a few years, he forgot about him, and then he made new friends. But it's actually an emotional, and I understand that how bad I felt. So how bad you must be feeling that your child has to do it every 3 years. It's not good for his emotional health.
Moreover, he's little frightened also. That time he was telling, my teachers are good, but I don't know in that school if they will scold me, what will I
Yeah.
tell them?
Yeah.
He's little frightened
Yes,
also.
children are, terrified that what will a new school look like, how will the new students be, how will the teachers be, will they be strict and all. So they start adjusting in a new school in about 1 to 2 years time. And as soon as he adjusts, it's time to shift again.
Even ma'am, when he get admitted in promoted in new classes also, no, that time also he gets scared.
Okay.
This ma'am will teach, she is very angry, she looks very angry. But as days pass by, and he just get
Okay.
adjusted.
Yes. Children are, terrified of strict teachers. In West Bengal, do teachers hit children?
No, they don't hit much. They give punishment, like for stand
Okay.
for 10
Keep them
minutes.
standing
like
for
that.
few minutes, like that. Yeah.
Huh.
So I think
10
all
minutes
those
like that.
teachers, who still slap the children or, hit them with dusters or scales, that should be banned completely. It's said that it is completely banned and it's not allowed, but it is completely illegal now, but teachers still do that. Some teachers still do that. The ones who are older, they have their own way of, they think that beating is the only way to set them right. Because of
Even I have also heard this.
Yeah, because of such teachers,
In many schools.
children are very scared of new teachers.
Even I have also heard this in many schools.
Yeah.
Even in senior classes, this happens.
Okay.
The teacher, they used to scold, but in junior classes, very very less, I think. Hardly if any teacher, that also very lightly if they have beaten any students or not. But in senior classes, I have heard that many teacher, they use scales like
Right.
to beat the students.
Yeah. Once my daughter was in class 5, she was about 9. She was 9 years old, I think, 9 or 10.
Okay.
She did not just bring a folder. I mean, a folder or file,
Okay,
something
folder.
like that. She did not bring that on time. Her teacher tied her shoelaces with the bench, tied the laces with the bench, and she was not able to get up for the entire session that day. For 7-8 hours, she was tied to the bench, and then she slapped her tightly. She gave her 2 slaps. It was so horrific, and when she came
This
back,
is
and
very
told us, such a small child, 9 or 10. Principal said the older teachers still do this because they think this is the best way to teach children. And if you are with me, I can, file a case against her and we can just expel her. from
Hmm.
school. Then
Mhm.
that teacher apologized, then we let her go.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
even after that, she kept taunting my child for the entire, class 5 that, oh,
Mhm.
I can't do anything with you. You will call your mama. You will call your
Your
papa.
mommy will come and
Yeah.
complain.
So
Hmm.
I still can't forgive that teacher at all. I have
This
also given,
happens.
tuitions at my coaching center. I have never touched a
Huh.
child. I can't believe
Hmm.
how these other teachers they slap the other children. How come they do that? I can't even
Hmm.
believe.
You taunting, you said, na ma'am, this happens in each and every school.
Okay.
If any guardian will go and tell about any teacher, or if they talk freely with any teacher also, na, and if the teacher thinks that their mother and their parents are too smart, how they
Yeah,
can come
yeah.
directly and talk to me?
Correct.
They take that revenge in the child.
Right.
And that teacher who did that, na, tying the shoelace with the table, that should not be done. See, ma'am, if you keep your leg still for 1 hour, you will see what kind of your leg will feel. We will get a
Correct.
sensation like, huh?
Yes.
And think about her, how she would have felt that
Right,
time.
right. I feel like crying whenever I think of that incident. How come she dared to do this with my child? I can never forgive her. And we forgave her. We did not file a case against her. Even then, she kept taunting her and she kept taking her revenge. And my daughter told me she still hits children, but not me. That means she did not change. And now I regret that I should have actually filed a case against her.
They will never change because
Yeah.
that is their habit.
Yeah.
Habit cannot be changed in 1 or 2 days or 2 months or year. Okay, it should be changed within themselves, by themselves. Okay, ma'am. And see, ma'am, teaching is a work of patience.
Correct.
If you are not having patience enough, you should not come to
Correct.
this job.
I feel, a teacher, if you can't love your children, love your students, then you have no right to become a teacher. Because before teaching them, you have to love them. You have to treat them like your own children.
Yes, ma'am.
If someone raises his hand on your children, then how would you feel? I never even touched my students. I have taught for few years in my coaching center also. I used to take all classes from 1 to 8. I never touched any of them. Some parents would come and say, ma'am, slap him. I mean, how some parents also are like that? Why don't you say-
Actually, the parents are fed up with their child. They cannot do anything. That's why they're telling,
Yeah, they will say,
ma'am, you do at least
Yeah.
so that we can tell
Man, he
them.
doesn't study. You slap him, you teach him, you do whatever you want. I said, no, sorry. Slapping and, hitting the child is
I
not.
can't do.
I can never do that. You do that if you want, but that is still a bad thing. Parents should also not do that. Even parents shouldn't hit their children. I feel that. Children get scared and those things stay in their minds.
I was very much excited of this session. My son was too. He was telling me, Mommy, 12:15, get ready. I'm ready only.
Okay.
I'm ready only.
And
Let's ma'am send the link.
And the entire session was actually about him. Most of it was about him.
About him only, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in between, in this, you have also transferred in many of the places, or you
No,
stayed in the same
No.
Delhi only? Then
I was born and brought up in Delhi only, and I got married also in Delhi.
Okay.
I always, I lived my life in Delhi only. Just 11 years back, we got shifted to Noida because we had to buy a new place, and my husband's job was in Noida. So he said, I have to travel for 1.5 hours every day. So to and fro, it was 3 hours. So he said, when we are taking a new house, let me buy it in Noida only, so that commuting becomes easier for me. Actually, I didn't want to leave Delhi. I still love Delhi. I didn't want to leave it. But for his job's sake, we came here. So apart from that, I never moved to any place. From Delhi to Noida, that was the only shift. So I am actually still close to Delhi. So my parents are just, 20 minutes away from me even now. Thank God it was not a transferable job. I can understand what you must be feeling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The study part I discussed with you, but there are many other stuffs also, like shifting a house from one place
Right.
to
Right.
the furniture, this all,
Right. That
arranging the
was
furniture and all that.
was
It's
so
too tough,
difficult when
right?
I moved from that. I moved only once. That was so difficult that
Mm.
I told my husband, shifting from one place to another was such a big task. I never knew that I am going to live here till my last breath. I am not going to shift again. It's so difficult, I felt. Yeah.
Yes. Now see, ma'am, movers and packers are there. They
Yeah.
will pack your goods, but they will pack your goods and then they will when you will shift in some other place, they will keep in that house. But all the clothes and all that things you have to arrange. You have to keep it in the cupboards, your kitchen utensils and all that.
Every,
So that
small,
is also
small things, they can't take care of everything. You have to take care of, small, small things. All the memories of your children took first steps in the house. So I had to, make sure that I bring everything to the new house. I didn't want to leave any memories there. My daughter used to make happy birthday cards for me. She was 10 when we moved here. So I had to make sure that I bring everything here because I wanted to keep
every
everything with
cards. Memories as a
every 3
memory.
years. It's difficult to take everything there.
Mm.
So do you bring all the
Mhm.
stuff to the new place?
Yes, ma'am. We have brought all the stuffs because, ma'am, when we were staying in Kharagpur, na, that was a rented flat. Okay, we got leased from the bank, so we cannot keep anything, na.
Correct.
That's why we purchased a flat here, so that after my son's 10th board exam, if we admit him to some other place, then we can keep few things in this flat because it is our own flat, na.
This one is your own flat.
This one is our own
Yeah.
flat, ma'am.
So now, if your husband gets transferred and you go to some other place, then you can leave some things here. Yeah.
Yes.
So
We
some-
will leave almost everything only. Few
Right.
things
And
only
you
we
can
will
take
leave.
just the necessary stuff to the new place.
Necessary stuffs, yes.
Right.
Yes, that's only because taking all furnitures, all
Taking
things, all
everything
clothes is a
difficult.
big
Yeah.
headache.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Big headache because that time only, no, you will come to know, oh, this much clothes are there which of no use. We have to throw that. Then you will get this much garbage.
That time you come to know, oh, I have so many clothes. I used to think I have no clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. My God. So
That time you will come to know.
I have stuffed this house so much.
Yes, ma'am. Even, ma'am, I was also born and brought up in Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Okay.
I am not from West Bengal. I am born and brought up in Dhanbad, Jharkhand. My father used to work there in Coal India. BCCL, you might have heard.
Yeah, Coal
Bharat
India I've
Coking
heard.
Coal.
Yeah.
Coal India. Then we did our schooling, education, all from there. Okay. Then my husband was also from that place only, Dhanbad.
So
Okay.
because
But
of
he
the job, you got transferred to West Bengal.
My father-in-law was working there in railway. So as he was working in Dhanbad railway, so he got a flat there, railway quarter. So that time, sometimes I used to stay there and I was studying also there. I was doing my B.Ed. But as my husband was in bank, so he got transferred in West Bengal, and from that time he is getting transferred to every other places.
So now,
Till now he's getting
because of his transferable job, it's very difficult for you to meet your parents.
but in summer season, I come to my parents' house. But my parents also, my father, mother, they have also shifted in Kolkata.
Okay.
After retirement, they have also shifted
Visit them
in
every
Kolkata.
summers.
Almost every summer, ma'am, because we are 3 siblings. Okay. And my sisters are also working. They are also in schools only, school teacher.
Okay.
So
they also come in summer. So you all get to meet each other, right?
Yes,
so summers must be a lot of fun,
time.
You have a lot of fun at that time.
Ma'am, that time.
Okay, that's
at least for 1 week also, 5 days also, I try to come so that I can meet them, because rest days, whole year we all are busy. They are also busy with their schools and I am also busy with my housework, son and all other things. That's why.
when you go at that time, you have double benefit that you are not just meeting your parents, you are meeting your siblings also in one go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's great.
Yes.
It's great to catch up with your family once in a while. And your son also loves going
And
to Nani's place.
yeah, they all sons and daughters love to come to their mama's house.
Okay. Your siblings' children also.
Hardly few
They
are
all love to
there.
meet each other.
Huh.
Okay.
Meet each other there. They don't have to study. They will not
Yeah.
get any scoldings.
Correct.
They
have
will do
they can
whatever they
only have
want.
fun. Lot of fun at Nani's place, and there is nobody who will scold them.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are correct now. And moreover, masis and all their mamas and all they are there.
Correct,
Na?
correct.
So the child have that habit. No, I will get many things.
Yeah,
I will
right.
get to eat many good things.
Mama's place, Nani's place is like Kuber ka khazana for children, grandchildren.
I will get
Yeah.
to eat many good
And
things. I
we
will get
also
many
love
good
to
things.
shower them with gifts because they know that they are going to visit only once a year.
Yes, ma'am.
Clothes,
This is their. They
toys,
are like a.
everything. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And moreover, they are getting free times, no time for, they don't have to study, they don't have to do anything, nothing. Only enjoy, eat,
play and
TV,
eat. Yeah, and enjoy. Yeah.
play and eat. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, I want to ask you something like, ma'am, as I'm speaking with you, what all things you have seen in my speaking which I need to change? Like my pronunciation or any, like I'm speaking too fast or anything, ma'am, kindly please
Actually,
help
Priyanka,
me
you
so
are
that I
speaking
can.
Hindi very well. You are quite fluent at English, and there are just a very few grammar mistakes. That's all. You are not speaking too fast, and there are actually no pronunciation mistakes also. Just a few grammar mistakes you have made. That's all. And if you listen to more English, they will also go away. You are actually quite good at English. Say.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. It's
Okay.
it's a, ma'am, I'm taking this as a compliment because,
You
ma'am,
are actually
you know
quite
what
fluent in
happened,
English.
no?
I was thinking that why is she having conversation with me? She's already so good in English. But then you started.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
You are making very few mistakes.
Huh.
And that will also go away with time, with practice. So yeah.
I don't know why whenever I speak with any one who is very much higher to us, like you or any other who is very much expert in this, I don't know why I feel like hesitate. I feel like no, from inside I don't know why from inside I'm getting little fear, like "Bapre, little conscious, you can say, like am I speaking correctly? Am I speaking,
Actually,
pronouncing
Priyanka,
the word?
you don't hesitate at all. You speak very well. It might be possible that
Maybe.
you are making mistakes only because of nervousness. So don't be nervous. You speak English so well that you don't need to be nervous. You can even teach children. Yeah, you have already done English. You even try to have conversation with any other YouTuber. He will also tell you the same thing, that you really speak well.
Ma'am, you have told it is only that is enough for me, ma'am, and that I will try to improve more, ma'am.
Yeah. Just listen
You
to
don't know,
more.
ma'am.
Yeah. Just listen to more English content like movies, series, anything that you like, or conversations, whatever you want. But you speak well. Pronunciation mistakes are not there. You are not speaking fast, and only grammar mistakes are there. It was such a lovely conversation.
Okay.
I enjoyed talking to you, about all the
Okay, ma'am.
transfers and children and everything.
It was
I
a
really
dream.
enjoyed.
It was a dream for me, ma'am. You don't know the day I got your message. It was a dream for me. I thought, my God, maybe something good is happening nowadays. My good days are coming. I thought like this
I'm
because
also so
every
happy
time.
talking to you. Yeah.
Every time whenever I do anything, nothing I get. Anytime I do anything, every time it get failed. But this time when I got a message to you and I got a reward from you, I thought now something good is going to happen in my life. Opportunities are opening, doors are opening for me.
Oh.
I thought.
Thank you so much for saying that. Okay, Priyanka, best of luck. You will
Thank
get
you,
a
ma'am.
very
Same
good
to you,
job
ma'am.
in a good school. You will get a job in a good school very soon. Okay? Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye. Nice to talk with you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Same here.